Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study about K-map, Karna map. What is K-map? Karna map is also called K-map. K-map is the pictorial form of truth table. It consists of square boxes called cells depending on the number of inputs. All the possible combinations of the variable involved in Boolean functions are written inside the cell in their respective positions. A two variable K map contains 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4 cells and 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8 cells. If in the expression the number of inputs are 2, then there will be 4 cells. If there are 3 inputs, then we will make 8 cells. And according to the expression, we have to place 1 in the corresponding cell. Then what is simplification of two variable? A two variable K map consists of 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4 cells. Each row is labeled with the variable and its complement. Later on we will discuss what is the normal variable and what is the complement. Complement is a variable and is also called prime. Here there are some words that are used for only one thing, like a complement means a naught. We were drawing bar on the variable and we were reading it like a naught. We can also read it like a prime. We can also read it like a complement. Each cell contains product term of the variable. The variable that are present in the rows and column, we have to write the product of each term of the variable. For example, a complement b, a prime b or a naught b is placed in the cell that is in the row of a naught and column b. Coming towards the simplification of two variables, how we can simplify two variables. First of all, we studied in the previous slide that if there are two variables, then we have to make the combinations. For combinations, there is a formula 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4, so it means we have to make 4 cells. Then afterwards we have to write the variables in the row or column form. Like here two variables are there, so in the first row we will represent a prime, a complement or a naught. It's up to you how you can read it. Then a, this a is the normal variable and a naught is the complemented form. What is this? A is the normal variable and a complement is the complemented form. Then is b complement and b. Now they said you have to write the product in each respective cell. So here in the first row of a complement and column of b complement, we will write here the product, that is a complement, b complement. Then the first row and the second column, a complement and b. Second row and first column, a b complement, and second row and second column, that will be ab. So this is how we are going to simplify the variable and how we are going to write the product in each cell by multiplying the normal and complemented form of rows and columns. Coming towards the example number 5, that is in your book as well, that f1 is equal to a naught b plus a b naught plus a b. Now you have to work according to this expression, but your step 1 will be same like we have done previously. We have to make 4 cells, we have to write the product, and then later on we will decide according to the expression where we have to replace 1. Now same is the case, a complement a, then b complement b, and now writing the product a complement b complement in the first cell. Then first row and second column will be multiplied, it will give you a complement and b. Then second row and first column, it will give you a b complement, and then fourth is second row and second column, that will be ab. This is your step number 1 of example. Step number 2 is wherever these expressions lie, like here a complement b is lying in which place, you have to see in the previous, and then you have to replace it with 1. A complement b, and we will replace it with 1. Where is AB complement? We will replace it with 1. Then AB, we will replace it with 1. Wherever the expression lies, we have to write 1 in that corresponding cells, and where there is no expression or the expression is not in the statement, then we will leave it empty. Like first cell is empty, second is A complement B, we replace it with 1. Third is A B complement, so we will replace it 1, and the last cell is AB, so we replace it with 1. This is step number 2, where we are replacing our corresponding cells with 1. Third step is that we have to make grouping and pair of these ones. We can make pair of 2. How many pairs we can make? We can make pairs of 2. If there is a single pair, if there is no pair, then it means that will not be simplified. That expression will not be simplified. And second thing, that is that you have to make the pairs in two forms, that is horizontal form and vertical form. Horizontal form and vertical form, but not in diagonal, and that pairs may overlap with each other. These are some of the properties that you have to make pair in horizontal or vertical form, but not in diagonal, but it can overlap with each other. Like you can see that there were ones in the last row, we can make one pair of that. One pair is there in which two variables are there, and second pair is this one. So these are horizontal and vertical pairs, and they are overlapping each other, but they are not in the diagonal form. So keep these rules in your mind as well. So for this we have to simplify the expression. For simplifying the expression, how we can simplify? First of all, we will read row number A. In row number A, in B complement and B, 1 is present. So it is one, and it is another rule that whenever there is a normal and complemented form, then it will be eliminated. Now you can see in the last row of A, 1 is the pair in the horizontal form, but it is coming in the column of B and B complement. So B is the normal and B complement is complemented form, so this expression will be eliminated. Now you have to see it is lying in which row. It is lying in row number A, so we will write in simplification form F is equal to A. Again I am telling you that normal and complemented form will be eliminated. Like in the horizontal form, it is 1 and 1 are coming in B and B complement. B and B complement are normal and complemented form, so it will be eliminated. And it is coming in the row A, so we will write A, and we have to write the simplified expression in the form of sum. We have to write addition sign. So after A we will write plus sign. Then we will see the vertical form. Now in the vertical form, that is in the B column, 1 1. So we will see in which corresponding cells it is lying. Here it is lying in row A complement and A. So again normal and complemented form is there, so it will be eliminated, but it is coming in the row B, so we will write B. So this is actually the simplified expression. That simplified expression is actually your step number 4. These 4 steps are compulsory to perform in K-map.